Okay, here we have exercise 2. So I hit the open button 3 times so that it opens. It's opening. If I hit the close button, nothing will happen. I hit the stop, and then I hit it again 3 times. And also pressing the open button, nothing happens. When it gets to the top, now I can hit the close button 5 times. So I hit it, it closes. If I hit the open button, nothing happens. I hit the stop, and well, in this position, I can open it, or I can close it. And again, nothing happens with so it will close, and then I can open it again. It closes, and
5 times close.
I can open it again.